Looking for the perfect beard trimmer but overwhelmed by choices? Stick around, we've ranked the top performers so you can find the one that actually works for you. Kicking things off at the bottom of our list is the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360. Now don't get me wrong, it's got a lot going for it. The design is sleek, the blade moves with the contours of your face, and for a lot of folks it's just what they need. But when you compare it side by side with more complete grooming kits, it falls a bit short. What makes it stand out is its lightweight, travel-friendly design and that flexible 360-degree blade. It's great for detail work and gives you a comfortable shave without much irritation. Plus, it's fully waterproof, which means it works just as well in the shower as it does on dry skin. But here's the trade-off. The battery lasts only 45 minutes and takes a whole 8 hours to charge. So if you forget to plug it in, you're out of luck. It also doesn't include attachments for full-body grooming and those replacement blades. They'll sneak up on your wallet over time. This is ideal for someone who wants a minimalist, no-fuss trimmer for touch-ups or clean lines, especially if you're on the go a lot. Just keep in mind, if you're looking for versatility, you'll want to keep watching. There are better options ahead. Links to all the products in this review at the best prices are in the description below. Next up is the Remington, an all-in-one trimmer that gets the job done without breaking the bank. It's been around a while, but it's still popular thanks to its decent range of attachments and budget-friendly price. This trimmer offers 14 length settings and a variety of heads for beard, nose, ear, and detail trimming. The 65-minute battery life is a nice bump up from the OneBlade, and the surgical steel blades hold their sharpness well over time. It even comes with a handy storage pouch, which is a nice touch for travelers. However, its age does show. The plastic combs feel a bit flimsy, and the build overall isn't as sturdy as newer models. Plus, it still relies on old-school wired charging, which feels dated compared to the fast-charging USB-powered options out there. If you're on a budget and need a basic, reliable trimmer that covers the essentials, the Remington is worth a look. It's not flashy, but it handles your beard, sideburns, and nose hair without a fuss. Like this video so far? Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more gear reviews. Coming in third is the Philips Norelco Multigroom. This one strikes a good balance between affordability and functionality. If you want something a little more refined than the Remington, but without splurging too much, this might be your sweet spot. It comes with a total of 13 grooming pieces, everything from a nose trimmer to multiple guards for beard and hair trimming. The battery lasts an hour, and the blades are self-sharpening and don't need oil, which is always a plus. It's also easy to rinse off under the faucet after each use. But it's not perfect. The 16-hour charge time is honestly frustrating. That's a huge ask for just 60 minutes of use. Plus, while the build quality is okay, it doesn't feel as premium in the hand as more advanced models. This is a great choice for someone who wants a complete grooming kit at a budget-friendly price and doesn't mind charging it overnight. It's practical, straightforward, and gives you more than enough tools for everyday grooming. Runner-up goes to the Ufree, and this one's a bit of a surprise hit. It's not a big name brand, but man, does it deliver when it comes to battery life and versatility. If you're looking for maximum features without a premium price tag, this one stands out. You get 7 different attachments, 10 combs, and a quiet but powerful motor that handles thick hair with ease. The 150-minute battery life is a game changer, especially when paired with a super quick 1.5-hour charge. The LED screen is a slick bonus, showing battery life and letting you lock it for travel. It's not waterproof. Only the blades are rinsable, which could be a deal breaker for some. Also, the comb attachments feel a little cheaper compared to more expensive kits, but they do the job. This is the best value pick for someone who needs power, performance, and doesn't care too much about brand labels. Whether you're detailing your beard or trimming down body hair, it handles it all. And finally, sitting confidently at the top of our list, the Philips Norelco Multigroom. If you want the best of the best without stepping into luxury price territory, this is the one to beat. It's packed with 23 grooming tools from fading guards to body shavers. The titanium-coated blades are built to last, and BeardSense technology adjusts power on the fly based on your hair density. Add in a 5-hour battery life and full waterproofing, and it's hard to find anything this kit can't do. That said, it doesn't come with a wall adapter, just a USB cable. Not a huge deal, but worth mentioning. And with so many attachments, some users might find it a bit overwhelming at first. Still, if you're serious about grooming and want a kit that feels premium, performs flawlessly, and is built to last, this is your best bet. Whether you're trimming your beard, cutting hair, or cleaning up body hair, it handles everything like a pro. All the top beard trimmers we covered today are linked in the description below. Check them out for the best prices. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews straight to the point. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.